Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reverse a video in Instagram. So let's go into the Instagram and make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram, right? To update, and if you're not, then just update it from the Play Store or App Store, right? So let's go into the reel section and we will check whether there is a feature of reverse or not. So if I just click on the three dots, you can see here there is a feature of remix and other feature too, but there is a no feature of reverse, right? So I will just go back and let's see whether I can do it while uploading or not. So I will just allow some feature permissions and I will post this video. Okay, and after that you can see here that there is a feature of audio and all that, but there is a no feature of reverse it, right? So actually there is a no feature of reversing here, but you can just use a third-party mobile application here, just like let me show you. Just go to the Play Store or App Store and download InShot, right? So in this is a mobile application. You can use the PC version too to reverse a video. Just download it and you can reverse a video, right? So as you can see here that while using this third-party mobile application, this is a video editor tool, so you can reverse a video it and then you can upload it over the Instagram or wherever you want, right? So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, like this video right now, subscribe our channel, and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.